Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing what I'm doing on this Sunday. So I kind of wanted to make this new series on my channel. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but by the time this video goes up, obviously I will have a name for it. But basically, Jen Chapin actually inspired me to make this video because her videos that are like this are called weekend prep videos. And so she basically just shows us everything that she can get done throughout the weekend to get ready for the work week ahead. So I usually like to save that sort of thing for Sundays. So I just wanted to make this new series on my channel to motivate you guys to get some things done before the work week ahead. So if you want to see what I'm doing today, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we have actually been quarantined for COVID. So we are in the middle of finishing up some homework that needs to get done. So I'm gonna write on here Liam's homework. I need to clean the master bathroom and the hallway bathroom. I need to finish up our laundry and put away the dishes, which I do that every single day, it seems like. But let's see. As far as the kitchen goes, I need to prep our breakfast. I have some brownies that I want to make, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I also need to make the yogurt cups for our breakfast, as well as the veggie cups. And then I also have some apples over here that the kids have like taken little bites of, so I want to make some apple cups with peanut butter for our lunches and breakfast. What? Okay, and also I need to sweep and mop the living room. Pen is running out. And then I would also like to clean up my car. My husband has been taking it to go fishing, so it's pretty much a disaster. Let's see. And then over here, I'm gonna mark, I would really like to clean the kids' rooms. They are pretty much a disaster. Like I said, we've been recovering from COVID, so my house has really taken a toll. Yeah. Yep. Also, I need to wipe down our kitchen table. I've not done that in a while, and I have like a process that I go through because it's a wooden table, so I need to do that as well. There was one more thing that I wanted. Oh, clean the laundry room. If I can spell. So I'm just gonna put little check mark or question marks over here, but this is basically everything that I really need to get done today. And honestly, everything in the kitchen isn't gonna take that long, but it's like just the cleaning stuff is what's gonna take so long. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and we'll just see what all we can get done today.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way. And it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. All of the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.